I had the operation, but at the time of the operation, when the nurse was coming in to explain to me what I was having done, which the doctor never explained to me what was going on, they said mesh. And I told the nurse, I don't want a mesh. He told me he was going to, fix my incontinence, and there was other procedures that are available to women, but I did not choose a mesh. Till the time I removed the mesh, I had to wait for the opportunity to get better insurance because I couldn't pay for it out of pocket. I was fine, my recuperation time, and then I noticed the leak. And along with the leak, there was pain. There was pain in parts of me that I never had pain before. I didn't like the pain because it kept getting worse, along with more incontinence. And then I said, okay, this isn't right. And I waited like a year and a half because I was going crazy. I would just be laying down in bed and I would get these sharp pains, in my private areas. I couldn't understand why. Diagnosis, urinary incontinence. I had lower back pain. If you have vaginal mesh, you could sue the company or whatnot. And they described all the symptoms that I was going through. And I was like, really? And I kept seeing these commercials, and my husband's like, hey, that's you. And I go, yeah, I know, that's me. And that's when he decided to call Sean. I had called a couple of other firms. They told me that the timeline that I was going into from the time that I had my surgery to the time that I made the decision to proceed with a lawsuit, that I wasn't in time to do it, and that I should forget it. And my husband was like, no, that doesn't sound right. They didn't want to take the case, and Sean took the case, and he won.